This is from a photograph which I took in North Yorkshire about 3 years ago. Now that's the imprimatura, which is already done. Before I go to a painting of 4 to 6 foot, I need to be mindful of my colours. I need to have a decision made about what colours I'm going to use. So otherwise I could waste days painting and then go, oh, it's the wrong colour. It's not what I'm looking for. So having done the charcoal, having done the photograph and the charcoal sketch for the design layout and the imprimatura, I now want to go to some colour sketches. These canvases are tiny in comparison to that, and it's only literally boards. So I can do 2 sketches in what would be probably an hour or maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours if I was just literally working at it. 2 different colour schemes and just experiment. I don't have to worry about anything. I can just literally play with colour. And I'm now going to go to the one underneath. Very different, very, very different layout. So I've got to decide where the horizon is, because I think I'm going to push up into the sky. Comes up at an angle. I'm doing this because I'm mindful, otherwise I'm going to go too high, because there's going to be more sky on this one. Once we've got this second one done, I should be able to turn around, but we can discuss whether it's going to be this shape or that shape. Still really do like that shape. It kind of leads you into the canvas. It's got great depth. I'd always recommend do sketches like this because it's just such good fun, and you end up with a little painting at the end of the day. But also, like I said, the main reason is to test out your colours, to get a feel for, are they what you want? Is that feel of the painting you want to do? Two paintings done. More sky to the bottom one, obviously. We've kind of varied it a little bit on the bottom, but generally speaking, similar enough images.